Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to learn how to resolve this calendar issue where employees are unable to select the dates in their ESS calendar. Just to log in and show you what the error looks like. Once I've logged in onto my ESS portal, I'll go onto my leave and it's already selected under the new request. So what I will do is suppose I am planning a leave towards December or in um, December, which overlaps to January. And as I select December, you will notice that I'm not able to select any dates from January onwards, and I'm getting a different error. It's something like a slash, and it's not allowing me to submit it. The previous error that you had was it was just grayed out. This error is different, and the reason why this is different is because and if, when you click on it, it says it's unavailable. And the reason is because your pay period calendar for that following year has not been created yet, and therefore you will not be able to submit it. Now, we do not recommend you creating it instantly. We recommend you creating it towards the end of the year once you receive the gazetted public holiday. So, as you are creating the pay period calendar creation, you can also create the public holiday. Otherwise, the employees would be applying on that particular public holiday, and the public holiday changes every year. So until the gazetted public holidays are released, I would not suggest you to create the pay period calendar for that following year. Now in this scenario, I'll just go to another employee over here who was facing the same issue. So if I go to the payroll details over here, and if I go to the uh, period code, in this case it's fortnightly, and if I scroll at the bottom, you will notice that the last pay is of last year. It's on the 27th December 2021, and this is another factor as to why the employee is not able to submit a leave request on the employee self-service portal. This is because their pay period calendar has not been opened or has not been created, which is why they are not able to apply. Now, if this is the scenario, you will need to contact your support help desk or seek help from your PayGlobal administrator in order for them to create a pay period calendar for that particular year. Now, pay period calendar creation is one of the factors that can cause this issue. Now, if the pay period calendar is already created and the user is still facing this issue, then this issue is due to an application pool error. And for that application pool error, you will need to get in touch with your support help desk. This is because we will need to log in to the respective server, and we will need to check the features or the settings of the application pool. It can be also due to the application pool service that is not being able to authenticate. That could also lead to this issue. So there are few of the factors from the application full perspective as well. But in terms of the front end user perspective, you can first of all check whether the pay period calendar has been created or not. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, please do give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. I will see you in the next video.